Electrical, probably one of the best, very affordable dynamic IEMs that you can currently get. So over here I have the brand new HE01 Plus model, and Whizzer actually sent me out to check these out. And I have used them for already a few days, and generally I think they're absolutely fantastic, especially for the price you're paying. So we can see all the spec here and all the frequencies and what we actually get here, so feel free to pause. So when it comes to price, these literally cost only around $50. And for the price you're paying, I think these sound like absolutely crazy good. So let's take them out of the box. And also we're getting a nice packaging on these. Okay. Okay, we get our buds. And also inside the box, we get a paperwork here as well, guarantee card. And also a very nice storage case, where we also have a very decent quality cable here. And also tons of different tips as well that come with them. So when it comes to build quality, these are absolutely fantastic. So let's take one out. As you see, it pretty much looks like a pair. And we have transparent case on them. Okay, let me zoom in. So when it comes to looks, I think these look absolutely fantastic and incredibly high-end actually. So definitely for this price, to get this build quality, that's actually completely unheard of. So yeah, when it comes to premium feel, these are actually super good. And also let's check out our cable. And the cable quality is really just as good as on the, that's the quality on the buds themselves as well. Okay. Also we have nice proper thick jack for them as well. These are branded. Okay, if I can get it to focus better. Also we have a nice stopper here as well for the buds. And as you see, they are twisted like this. And again, the tips are kinda see-through here as well. And yeah, the quality definitely on these also appear very decent indeed. So to attach basically them, so as you see on the cable over here, I have this mark here, for example, the red one, and also on these buds, I also have this mark over here. So you see, so for example, we can simply align basically this red to red and plug them in. And on the other end we have basically like a blue. So again, simply align blue to blue. And job done. And also we get tons of different tips on them as well. So we literally have 6 pairs. No, actually 7 pairs. So yeah, absolutely awesome. So also when it comes to tip quality, also these are actually surprisingly decent at this price, and they actually feel very nice when you actually use them. So let's maybe choose probably these medium ones over here, and to attach them, so you see, we simply have to slide them on. So push it in, and they actually lock into place very well. So you see, if I actually try to pull them out, it's pretty much impossible. So we actually had to use quite a bit of force to get them off. And also when it comes to noise blocking, obviously these do not have any like active noise cancellation or stuff like that. So again, these are like yeah, older school earphones essentially. But when you actually put these in ears, it's actually block out sound very well, so you actually kind of get like physical noise cancellation on these. So yeah, definitely the tip quality also is actually very decent on these indeed. Okay, so this is what they look like with the tips on. Okay. And when it comes to sound quality, I'm also very impressed in these overall. So I'm by no means a professional in audio, but in the past year I have had maybe around 10 different of these more affordable budget IEMs, and I think these are basically on the top easily. So not only the clarity is absolutely awesome, the volume is very good, also they have very good mids, and overall they're actually very balanced. Especially I think they're actually absolutely awesome if you maybe simply want to use them for monitoring, maybe audio monitoring, or also maybe recording videos, then I think these like produce pretty much like absolute perfect sound, the best you can really imagine. So when it comes to clarity, I think these are probably one of the easily like in top 2 essentially I think I have had. At this price, probably even in top 1. So yep, they're actually that good when it comes to clarity. When it comes to volume these can produce, I think they're absolutely insane. In fact, probably they are probably the loudest earphones I have actually ever used. And for example, when I use them with a phone, I usually actually listen to them at maybe like this level, so literally at maybe maximum 20%. Otherwise they actually get too loud. Normally on normal earphones I probably maybe listen to maybe like 40-50%, but with these literally they're so incredibly loud that if you were to basically listen to like medium volume as on regular earphones, I think you would even lose your hearing. Basically they're that incredibly loud. And when you actually put them on the highest volume, it's absolutely ridiculous how loud these are. So actually would have preferred if they're actually not so loud, because accidentally sometimes you can actually put them in and basically your volume on the phone or any other device is maybe too loud, and then they can basically blast you. So out of all earphones, I think these are probably the loudest I have actually ever used. So if you're looking for that stuff, these really can't be beaten. And yeah, when it comes to volume, I think these are easily the loudest earphones I have actually ever used. So it's absolutely insane how loud they can get. By that test actually wasn't sound quality test, I simply wanted to show you how loud they can get. So no other earphones, if you actually place them near a microphone, would be able to deliver such like crazy sound output essentially. Also what's absolutely awesome, even if you were to be crazy enough to actually listen to them on highest levels, they actually still are able to deliver pretty much perfect results even if you like crank them to the maximum. So again, other earphones, obviously if you basically max them out, essentially they obviously start to suffer and the sound quality suffer. But these, at this price, I really have no idea how they have actually included such good drivers in these and made the sound so incredible on these. So yeah, overall for around $50, I do not think you can actually get a better pair of earphones than these ones. So for this price, to get such sound quality, such volume, clarity, and also good build quality, that's completely unheard of.